Look at that. That's a big creature, guys. I can't believe this. I don't know what is this, ha? Eggs. I don't know what's in here. Buna ko. Wala man siya magiging picturean, guys. Grabe, oh. Grabe, oh. Grabe. Uy, yoy, yoy. Grabe, oh. Agoy ko. Magpasok ako dyan. But I'm not gonna stop here kasi mom will get mad. Dito to sa highway. Hinala mo turn that this way. What? Look at my camera. It's good. Oh my gosh. Are you? I'm scared here. Whoop, guys. Guys, look at that. Look at this, guys. Agoy ka, guys. Look at that, guys. A big creature, guys. Whoa. You have a nice view here. You guys. View. I'm gonna lower that. Kuy, picture agad ko dari. Magsaka ako tapos picturean mo. Magbaba na siya, guys. Pero tanaw ang camera, guys. Kalain. Tanaw ako sa picture. Tanaw ako.
Tayo,
Violet. Uy, yeah. Tignan mo, guys. Ang kulit ng kalain. Nagsulod siya, guys. Kay kalain gali, guys. And then, he realized na kalain ang camera niya. Hindi na lang siya mag-picture. Damo tao, guys. There's a lot of tao, guys. Damo tao, guys. Wala kami friend here. Because we're too shy. Ang na-realize na, guys, nga ang adlaw ay ang langit, pero kalain kamera niya uy, nami kuya, oh, tanaw ba lang makita pa ganyan ang star, oh. Ang star.
Time stop lang to, blur na.
Atong star, oh, tanawa, oh, atong star, oh, star na.